Hello everyone, this is Don Oz. Look what I woke up to. Check it out. It's the storm of the century. And you know what's funny is? My snowblower broke. The cable snapped where you do the rollers for the machine. Look at this snow. It's crazy. Since my snowblower broke, I have to do this all by hand. Look at these drifts. Oh my gosh. Front door ain't too bad. Look at this. It's crazy. My goodness. All I know is today I have one mission. One man, one shovel, and one job to do. Is to get this house in order. Wow. See if I can get this gate open so I can grab the shovel. Look at the AC. I think that's like a foot of snow, right? For overnight. I gotta go up top and shovel that too. Oh good, the gate opened. Check it out. It's a winter wonderland. Look at the arborvitaes. It's like a wall. There's the creepy statue. She's wearing her vest of snow. Lisa from the Motorhome Beast from the UK, you sent this to me. It's all your fault, I'm telling you. JK, right? From the UK. Joke. All right. I'm signing off, and I'll give you an update on the shoveling I'm doing. Let's see how much I could do today. I might have to do this in shifts. There's a snowblower over there. It's too cold to try to fix mine. I gotta take the cable apart. Alright, take it easy. This is how much we got done so far. There's Baby Faye doing her thing. How you doing, Baby Faye?
That's not funny. Too heavy in Chardon compared to this span here in eastern Cuyahoga. This is where the meat and potatoes are, heading through Cleveland out towards all the heights, Bedford Heights, Garfield Heights, Shaker Heights, all with heavy snow stretching into Solon, Chagrin Falls, Bainbridge, all picking up good snow. And then here's that Lorain County band. This has been persistent from Wakeman down towards the Pittsfield area. That band has gotten
speeds through there about 32 miles per hour. And if we look at some more drive time, 77 between Independence and the city of...
Hey Jack, what do you think about all this snow?
Gonna take you 10 minutes. Things are starting to clear.
Isn't it amazing?
I'm gonna take you just 11 minutes.
What do you think, bro? Cool. What do you think about all this snow? Is it inhibiting your pee breaks? Hey boys, you wanna come out? Let's go. Come on, boys. Let's go. Rock it, boy. Rock it. Look at this little tykester. Hey, what are you doing, bro? Come on. Yeah, buddy. The Rascal Boys. Rascal Boys. Oh, my goodness. Get him, boy. Get him. Get him, boy. Go play in the snow. There you go. Good boy. It's too deep over there, guys. It's too deep. It's too deep. Want to go out front? Come on, boys. Boys, come. Look at that, guys. Is that crazy or what? What do you think, huh? Let's go, let's go. Come on, boys. What are you smelling? What are you smelling? Oh, Nico got to do his pee break. Come on, Jack. Let's go, boy. Jack. Let's get inside. Let's get inside. Come on, boys. Let's get inside. Come on, boys. Oh my gosh. They love this. Hey, boys, that's the wrong entrance. Let's go to this one. Come on, boys. All right, boys, get inside. Safe and sound. So this is how much Faye and I has got done so far. Faye's been working on this part. And of course, I'm working on this part. I got a lot more to do. This is what I'll be using, the snowblower if I could, but mine broke. Winter Wonderland. There's Baby Faye doing her thing. I saw some deer earlier, but they tucked in behind one of the houses. Good to go. Check it out, we got it all done. Me and Baby Faye knocked this out of the park. Got this all shoveled out. I think it took a couple hours. Not too bad for 60 years old, huh? Both of us. Not too shabby. I know there's a little berm right here, but that's okay. The snowplow will take care of that. Wow. Winter Wonderland. I did majority of the driveway, but Faye did the back all by herself. Check it out, I'll show you what she did. She is an amazing woman. Look, she knocked this berm right here. Look at this. She did this. She did the scoot method. Look at, she built this big wall of snow. The puppies can't even get in the back anymore. It's like a wall. Winter Wonderland. Well, our seating area looks like a bunch of snow ghosts sitting down, huh? I still gotta do up there. Wow. Okay, this is Don Oz signing off. Take care now and be well. Alright everybody, after all that hard work, gonna have some carrot cake and a coffee to warm me up. And let me show you, the snow has not let up. Check this out. It just won't stop. It's just getting crazier and crazier. Alrighty, this is just a bonus clip. I think it's gonna snow straight for a whole week. I think I'm gonna be out there every day. Alright there. Take care, be well.
What we do here is go back.
Oh,